Hey buddy, I hope that you are doing well. Today I will share to you that how to introduce yourself. Before introducing yourself, first you will say you can greetings, such as if you are a Muslim, so then you can say Assalamu alaikum, or if you are not a Muslim, so then you can say hey dear or hi. Second, you will say your name and you can say something about what you are doing correctly. Such as if you're a student, then you will say, and you will say how old are you, and then you can talk about your families. How many family members do you have? And you also can say what does your parents do, and you can talk about how many brothers and sisters do you have, and then you can talk about your hobbies and your future plan. And if I talk about it myself, like what it will be the answer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so hey there, my name's Mr. Ahmed. I'm a student and I'm 19 years old. I study at college. This is my first year at college and I'm studying about business studies. And I have six family members in my family: my parents, my grandparents, I, and my younger brother. My father is a farmer and he is cultivation in arable land, and my mother is a homemaker. She manages our family. I'm a student and my younger brother also student. He study at school. And I have lots of hobbies that I like, such as listening to music, roaming here and there, or listening to podcasts, and so on. And I have a hobby that I would like to study in another country. You also can speak like that. Whenever you will speak like that, you will feel a little bit good, and your answer will be really interesting, and it will be really exceptional answer. So have a good day.